What's up, guys? It's your boy Sam. We're shooting episode 4, but I'm not on the bike this time. We're in the car because last night, well, not last night, but this morning, it snowed, and I mean like a lot of snow. And it's a little different. It usually doesn't snow in northeast Georgia. So what we're gonna do? Oh, look at the pretty shepherd! Look at this guy. We got a shepherd at home too. Everybody is out. It's crazy, but we're gonna head downtown. There is a hill that people like to go sledding on. Well, what they call sledding. They pretty much take cardboard boxes and they slide down this hill on grass, and it just packs it down into like a slick surface. So we got some boxes in the back. We're gonna head down there and try to do some sledding of our own. We're gonna be 30-year-old kids for the day. We've already built a snowman in the front yard. I got my skis just in case, because I used to ski back in the day. So we're gonna see what we can do today, what we can get into. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Krista, and she's gonna do some recording on the way down there, in case there's anything pretty or cool to see, because it is pretty. I mean, you do not see this down here very often, so we're gonna try to enjoy this. Should we take the highway or go under the bridge?
Highway.
Highway it is.
We should see all the cars that ran off the road.
Yeah, we want to see some cars in the ditch, because these southerners can't drive for shit. It's crazy. Could not believe this, waking up this morning to having snow coming down. And all this happened in like a few hours. There wasn't like nothing. We woke up at like 8 o'clock this morning, and there's barely a dusting on the ground. And it's like 10 o'clock now, and it's complete coverage.
It's gorgeous.
It really is. It's crazy. There's already been kids there, so it like packs down the snow and we can get like a good run at it. If not, we're gonna have to pack it. Either way, it's gonna be great. I'm so excited. I miss playing in the snow. Just so we're clear, I don't own the rights to any of these songs that are playing. I don't want to get flagged for this. Time to go sledding. See you in there. Shooting the gap on this sled thing. Here's Krista's first run. Told you. Gotta make the best of these snow days.
Yeah, that was fun.
I told you it would be. I told you.
Perfect.
Alright. I'm gonna shoot the gap.
You're gonna get in the water, she says. You're gonna get in the water.
No, I didn't.
Just run and jump it.
No.
Run and go. Run and go. Woo! Woo, that was exciting.
Krista's turn. Shooting that gap. Wipe out. You guys want to try? Come on over.
We're gonna make friends today.
We're gonna make friends. I'm gonna try this hot rod I handcrafted myself. I call her the Lightning.
Yak! We didn't expect the water to be so high, but we're making the best of it.
We're making friends.
Just go for it.
Friends. We got us a race. Hold on, baby, we're gonna race.
We're gonna race?
Hold on, let me get a run at it. Ready? You say when. Yeah, you say when.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Oh! Grown ass kids. Woo! Destroy lightning. Just going out in the blazing glory.
I like it.
Worth it. That was so worth it.
We drove 20 minutes just to do this.
You doing it?
Yeah, dang it.
Making friends. We were doing it over there. It was a little safer, but we had to risk the biscuit. He's getting some speed, Oh no!
Sketchy, but it's fun.
That's great. Have a good one. Don't forget the mug.
Yeah, it's been with me for years, and I forgot that.
That'd be a bad day. You want to call it, baby, or you want to keep going?
Let's
Let's go
go one more time.
one more time. All right, let me get my.
Can we go one more time, and then can we go get some hot chocolate?
Yeah, for sure.
Ready?
Ready.
Go. I'm not going anywhere. It's working.
We just got to get to the steep part of the hill. Alright guys, so we met some friends, and they actually had a better idea than us. They bought these plastic pools, so we're gonna.
That's awesome. And you got some bushes to stop you. Yeah.
They were thinking these things are way faster.
Or did you sit in?
I did like the knee slide, but you could just probably sit. Chris, just go.
With my knees?
Going for speed. That's how I did it. Going for speed.
Ready?
Go.
I'm coming
So much better. Ready? And the race is on. Yeah, we should have got pools. That was while we were doing the sledding thing. Now we're heading downtown. We're gonna try to get some hot chocolate while we're out and about, since it's such a snowy day. Super fun. God, this is great. The river's high, which is kind of sketchy, but we've had a lot of rain, and then the snow came. I'm sure it's only gonna get higher once this melts. It'll be gone in a day or two probably. I would assume this isn't gonna stick long. It's already melting like crazy. But so far it's been a fun day. I know this ain't no motorcycle vlog, but it's better. It's better. Be the first one of us just walking around doing the whole vlog thing. Off to hot chocolate we go. So, alright guys, so we're walking past the park downtown on the riverfront. We were here earlier sledding. We went and tried to find our new friend's keys. We actually built this. Oh, our snowman got destroyed.
Oh no.
But we built a snowman here earlier, and we got more people sledding. We're not the only ones that are child. There's our snowman we built. Somebody killed our snowman. Damn kids. Can't have anything nice. You try to do something fun. Probably because it had boobs. That's alright. We get some hot chocolate on this snowy day. It is melting off like crazy though. I mean, there is hardly any snow left on the ground out here, but it is downtown, so it's good. Hey, look at this. Someone built the snowman in the park. But we're gonna do a little lap. Oh, this is neat. One thing I love about Chattanooga is that they allow, I don't know if they allow, but this stuff is everywhere. There is just buildings that have been painted, and I don't care what y'all say, graffiti is beautiful if it's done right. And Chattanooga has a lot of really pretty graffiti. And it's nice that they've allowed it to happen and not tried to cover it. Because it's art, and art is beautiful. Shot. Junk phone, listen to me bitch about it again. Alright, let's go check out this hot chocolatier. Just a wardrobe adjustment so she don't Janet Jackson that shit. Alright, let's go. Don't forget to lock your door, baby. These are some cool stickers. Talk about that graffiti again. Here's some more. Absolutely love that they do this stuff. These are dope.
See his 90s jacket he had on to go with this.
I did. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. The life I love is making videos with my friends.
Oh gosh. Going on adventures. Going to see what we can see.
And they got all these cool like statues all over the place, which is absolutely awesome. I love Chattanooga. It's such a flavorful city. Krista! Got my expensive ass skis, jackets, all our shit, my phone in the car. What'd she do? Doesn't lock the door. Krista's getting hangry.
Damn. Like a bunch of country boys moving to the city.
Yep. The old RAV doesn't turn too well. For being such a small car, its turning radius is dog shit run over twice. Whoop. Nailed it! Coffee shop. Had my first little experience with caffeine in probably about 3 years, and I am all kinds of jittery, so I'm gonna pass the camera off to Krista once we get in the car because I'm freaking out. Real freaking out! That's one thing I just love it about Chattanooga, that they're okay with this stuff. That there's just the ability to do this art, sticker bond, make things that are ordinary beautiful, and you've got graffiti like that all over the place. It's amazing. I mean, I've never lived in another city, but it's neat that they do stuff like that. One hand driving, one hand vlogging, and one hand vaping. Got it all.
How many hands you got?
Enough. Chattanooga is definitely getting bigger and better. That we're going to take my favorite route, which is through the tunnels. Chattanooga's got, I think, 4 sets of tunnels.
Wow, there's a lot.
There's a lot of tunnels here. I'm super excited about that, because when I can finally wheelie my Harley, I think I just ran over an iPhone. No, for real. Little roundabout action before the tunnels. Tunnel time, tunnel time. At some point, I want to wheelie this whole tunnel. I think that would be an awesome clip. But first, I need to learn to wheelie the Harley. Chattanooga, what a beautiful city. beautiful girlfriend I got. Puts up with my shit.
You're welcome.
Look at my crazy ugly mug. There we go. But we're passing Sonny's. And Sonny's is where I always say goodbye to you guys. It's where I say hello and goodbye. And there's Sonny's in the backdrop. So, till the next one, guys.